And like every year, this year also Ganesh Utsav festival, it will be celebrated in Mumbai from 7th to the 17th. During the entire Ganesh Utsav period, various religious, cultural and social programs are also organized with attractive decorations and scenes through the mandals. Devotees, they come in large numbers to the said mandals. Security arrangements of Mumbai police for the Utsav, the Ganpati Utsav has been made extensively. Mumbai police has made extensive security arrangements to maintain law and order on the occasion of the Ganpati festival. And in fact, my colleague Juhi joins us from Lal Bagh Cha Raja there. Juhi, take us through what is happening there.
Well, if we go to see, Ganesh Chaturthi has begun in Mumbai and all over Maharashtra, and right now I am standing at Lal Bagh Cha Raja, where you can see right behind me the idol of Lal Bagh Cha Raja is sitting. As the Ganesh festival approaches, all eyes turn to Mumbai's famous Lal Bagh Cha Raja, the towering Ganpati idol that has captured the heart of devotees since 1934. Located in Lal Bagh, the Sarvajanik Pandal, this iconic pandal is known for its grandeur and unvarying faith of its visitors. This year the theme is set for Lal Bagh Cha Raja is of Golden Raj Darbar. The seat is well known as Mayurasan, and there are two peacocks behind depicting this theme. Also, the castle is named as Golden Castle, and the Raja is seated in this Golden Castle watching and blessing his devotees. If you go to see, Lal Bagh Cha Raja is one of the biggest Ganpati idol, not only in Maharashtra but all over India, because devotees from all over India come and visit to seek blessings from Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Also, celebrities and politicians do visit Lal Bagh Cha Raja and seek his blessings. Since last night, devotees have gathered over here to seek blessings, and as you can see from today morning, the darshan for Lal Bagh Cha Raja has been started, and devotees have been allowed to take the darshan. And since 4:30 a.m. in the morning, you can see the same crowd. The same crowd is maintained even after so many hours. And for the next 10 days, this crowd will be maintained as if it is said. Almost 1 to 2 crores devotees are going to visit Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Has been what is said by the associate authority, the director of this mandal. So for the next 10 days, Mumbai and Maharashtra will be celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, and today is the first day.
All right.